Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you people doing? I'm doing fine here. As quarantine is going on, I thought why not give my hair some special care and love, because it has become very dry as well as rough from ends, and I'm not liking it. So today I'm going to do my hair spa, and I thought why not share it with you people. If you're new to my channel and you're here for first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post a new content. I divide my hair spa into two divisions, one is scalp and another is hair. So let's get started. So for the scalp, for this you have to take an oil of your choice. You can pick any oil, coconut oil, olive oil, rosemary oil, grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. So I am here using an Ayurvedic oil. This is a homemade oil. If you want to know much about this oil, please comment down in the comment section. I would love to share it with you people. So I am using the Ayurvedic oil. It's like totally homemade. So now I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons of oil. Basically 2 tablespoons is quite enough. So here 1 and 2. To the oil I'm going to add 4 drops of rosemary oil. This is optional, but if you have dandruff and you're trying to grow your hair, this will help you a lot. Now I'm going to add like 4 drops. So this is how 4 drops is, and I'm just going to add it into the oil. I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to microwave my oil. So if you don't have a microwave, you can go for the double boiler process also. So I'm just going to place it in the oven. It is already preheated. So I'm just going to put it inside, and I would set it for 180 degrees for a minute. Yes, then I'll press start. So I'm going to let it stay for a minute so it becomes like light warm, not hot. Our oil is ready, so let's just take it out. Part my hair into 2 halves. Do this. So I'm just going to get rid of all the knots. I'm going to take the oil. Slowly take a little and start applying to my scalp. You have to apply only to the scalp. So I'm going to do the same to this section as well as my behind 2 sections as well, and I'll get back to you. So I've completed applying oil to my scalp. Now I'm going to massage it for like 5 minutes, like really well, my whole head, so that it'll help in blood circulation and it'll promote hair growth, as well as it'll just relax you down from whatever stress or things you're going through. So you have to just massage it slowly in circular motions. Today's video I'm going to use the Himalaya protein hair cream with extra nourishment. This nourishes the hair, keeps the hair healthy. This contains of amla and chickpea. So this is a 100 ml bottle, and this one lasts for like 80 rupees. And I feel this is worth a buy because it comes around like 4 to 5 uses according to the length of your hair. And I find it economical because it does miracles, as well as the quantity is worth. To the cup I'm going to add like 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of the cream and to that I'm going to add olive oil. Why I'm adding olive oil is it will actually help in nourishing the hair and making it much smoother. So olive oil plays a major role. So I'm going to use the olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil, and to the mask I'm just going to add like 1 spoon, like 1 complete spoon, and I'm just going to mix it thoroughly. After mixing the olive oil well, this is how the consistency will be. So let's apply it. I'm going to wet my hair. I'm going to use the spray bottle and wet my hair. So the reason why I'm wetting my hair is it will become easier for the mask to apply. So make sure it is just damp, not dripping wet. I'm going to go through sections, so I'm going to take a smaller section from down and just going to secure the remaining to the top like this. Apply it very nicely till the tip of your hair. So you're going to do this to the complete hair. I'm just going to secure my hair into a bun. You can use a wide tooth comb if you want. So I'll just comb it up. Boil the water. Just going to turn off the flame. To this I'm going to add a microfiber towel. I'm just going to dip it inside. And I'm going to let it sit for a minute. So I've just squeezed the excess water and I'm just going to wrap it around like this, and just going to secure that also with a rubber band. Add a cling wrap around my head. So you can totally avoid this step, but I do it because I just want that heat from the towel to get into my scalp so that it will absorb all the moisture and the proteins I'm trying to give it from the spa. I'm going to let it sit for like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you can just wash it off with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. So guys, I've washed my hair followed by a conditioner and I let it air dry, and after air dry this is how my hair looks. The shine, the bounce, and it has become very soft and I'm loving it. The benefits of a hair spa is it will nourish your hair, it will bring that shine, bounce to your hair, and it will help in getting rid of frizz. trust me, the frizz will reduce when you eventually start using a hair spa. So this is how I do my hair spa. If you do it in a different way, please do comment down in the comment section. So guys, thank you for tuning to the last. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.